Hello and welcome to day 99 of Bedtime Welsh, which, as you might be able to see, yes, it's still Halloween, so it's the same day. But we're getting them done now, and this time Angharad is going to help me. So we've got some monsters for you to practice for 99, appropriately enough. It's got to be a big one. So let's start with, I've heard that you want to see who is in the garden.
Dwi wedi clywed bod ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Da iawn ti. Dwi wedi clywed bod ti isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. That's a bit of a monster to start with, but we'll give you another monstrous one straight away. How about this now? Are you going to watch television tonight, or are you going to do something else? I have to look down at the words now. Are you going to watch television tonight, or are you going to do something else?
Wyt ti'n mynd I wylio'r teledu heno, neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth arall?
Da iawn. Wyt ti'n mynd I wneud... wyt ti'n mynd I wylio teledu heno, neu wyt ti'n mynd I wneud rhywbeth arall? Do we have another monster straight away? Oh no, a slightly easier one. I haven't finished eating.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen bwyta. And now a big one to finish with. Because I'm reading the book you gave to me.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr wnest ti roed I mi.
Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr nes ti roi I mi. You might have heard Angharad saying nes ti roed I mi. That's quite a casual way of saying it, which is fine too. Achos dwi'n darllen y llyfr nes ti roi I mi. And now I think I'm going to have to try and get these two kids back at the same time and do 100 straight away. So coming right up, see you in a moment. Hwyl am y tro.